Been scratch and the rough. Early lead is taken by Tito Aru from the outside. It's Tito Aru in the lead, followed by Blue Jazz, Moon Laser by the rail, Tricky Charlize, and Wow Pogi is trailing the group. It is still Tito Aru by 2 lengths, followed by Blue Jazz. Moon Laser moving up on the inside, closing in port on the outside is number 2, Tricky Charlize, while the favorite Wow Pogi is still trailing the group. And at the mid-back stretch is still Tito Aru by half a length, followed by Blue Jazz by the rail in second, Tricky Charlize moving up on the outside, Moon Laser, and Wow Pogi is still trailing the group. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken up now by Blue Jazz by half a length, followed by Tito Aru on the outside, Moon Laser, and Tricky Charlize, and closing in is the favorite Wow Pogi. And into the home stretch, it's Blue Jazz in the lead. It's Blue Jazz, Tito Aru, Wow Pogi moving up on the inside, and Tricky Charlize. But it's still Blue Jazz in the lead, followed by Wow Pogi by the rail, and Tito Aru on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Blue Jazz, and finally at the payoff line, it's Blue Jazz, Wow Pogi, Tricky Charlize, Tito Aru, and Moon Laser.
Okay, 3